Hello, welcome to Tim Anderson Horse Training. We're working this yearling again. I've worked him a couple of times since you saw me in the last video. What I need to start doing now, he's pretty good with everything on his legs, touching his body. The next step that I need to do is I need to get him started stepping to me. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm not going to put a halter on him yet. I like using this lariat for this part because it has a little better feel to it, and it's using the tool that I've been using all along. All I'll do is I want to make sure I get rubbed up around his neck really good, get him used to it, and this is the first time I've let something touch on the opposite side. I'm going to let this end go down, grab it on this side, and I'm going to rub this way. So I'm on here, but I'm rubbing on the opposite side. Now what I'm going to do at this point is I'm just going to ask him to take a step to me. See, he's pushing against the pressure right away. As soon as he steps, I release the pressure and I go back to rubbing again. So basically, if you think about it, he is controlling the scratch. He looks away, scratch stops, he gets a little pressure to move to me. He steps to me, the scratch starts back again. So step to me, and scratch. Good boy. Go back this way, step to me, there we go. He's moving forward, he's kind of pushing into the rope a little bit forward. I'm just going to keep my pressure and wait for him to give to that pressure. There we go, and then we'll scratch. Give to the pressure again. And scratch. Good boy. Good boy. It's coming along really nice. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to get a little bit more room, get him to step to me again. There we go. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to keep the rope and I'm going to swap sides. Good boy. Good boy. Step to me again. Good boy. This has all prepared him to be led. I know I can get the halter on him. Putting the halter on him isn't the important part. It's actually getting the halter on him and leading him someplace. That's what you want. Just getting the halter on him is really insignificant. Oop, he tried to leave, and I just kind of held pressure. He's got to figure out to give to that pressure. Good boy. Good boy. All right, let's go back again. Go over his ears. Just like later when I'm going to be sliding the halter over his ears, and even later than that when he's going to be getting the bridle slid over his ears. I'm starting now and getting him used to that feeling. Good boy. If you remember when I was doing the last video, I'll put a link to it up top here if you didn't see it. He was a lot more comfortable with me on his right than he was his left. I've been working on that, but he's still more comfortable with me on his right. Come on, a little bit. There we go. Good boy. I'll just release the pressure and walk away. So that's getting him started used to bringing his head to me. I'd like to approach him from the left again, just to do more of that because he really would rather me approach him from the right. There we go. The next thing I need to do is I need to work some more on his feet. I'm going to do something similar with his feet. Wanting to ignore me. Engage with the horse. Let him feel that sensation on his feet. Good boy. Good boy. Let's go do that other front foot. Same way. Now all this rope moving around, I'm not taking any special care to keep it quiet or to do anything special with it. He needs to get broken used to it moving around him and doing things. If I hide the movement, what's going to happen, either he's going to get where he don't get used to the movement, or he's going to figure out, well, he's acting like that movement is scary, maybe I should be scared. Good boy. So the next thing in the foot part, remember we're working towards picking his feet up. He's never had them picked up before. I'm going to see if he'll pick his foot up off of this pressure. Can you give me a foot? Give me a foot. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Let's ask again. Pick your foot up. Give me a foot. Good boy. This is a real safe and simple way to teach a young horse or any horse that doesn't know how to pick their feet up. It's easy for the person doing it. It's easy for the horse. Good boy. I'm not going to make him keep it up very long. As he understands what I'm wanting to teach, we'll work on keeping it up longer. Right now, I just want him to understand the concept of giving his foot to me. Step around this way. There we go. Good boy. Oh, kind of pushed through the pressure there. Remember before, when he was pushing through the pressure, I was sending him forward. Now when he pushes through the pressure, I'm asking him to step to me. Still movement forward. He's wanting to kind of worry about the contact. Not going to do anything, just kind of stay with him. If he gets in a bind, all I have to do is drop this end of the rope and he'll come free. There we go. Good boy. Pick this one up. See him shift his weight onto that foot. There we go. Good boy. Rub. Pick up. Give me a foot. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. With him being young, I like to work him in little short episodes several times a day. So that's his workout for this episode today. As you see, he's made a pretty fair amount of progress since the first video, and that first video was just day before yesterday. He's come a long ways in just 2 days. He's not trying to jump out of the stall anymore. So if you want to see that first video I did of him, I'll put a link up top. Until next time, thank you for watching.